So, hi everyone. So, as you can see, we have created, we have placed the footings on columns. Some of the columns are missing, which is totally indifferent in shape. So, we're gonna create those columns and place it over here. Actually, you can see this. These are the rectangular columns. We can easily go to the system structure and we're gonna go with column. We can easily place this column somewhere. Like for this shape, we'll create the family. We have two options. Either we can do the component model in place and we'll go to the structural column and we can create the in place family. If we create the in place family, the only problem is if you want to create the n number of columns, so moving these columns will be really difficult. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a family as a loaded family. So first thing, we'll go to the AutoCAD. We have an AutoCAD drawing, the same drawing which we've been imported in the Revit, the same drawing we wanted for the reference to create the column. So first thing first, we're creating this column, the column number C10. We'll copy this, Control C for copy, and we'll open a new drawing and we'll paste it. Control V to paste. What we're gonna do is save this drawing to somewhere. Okay, we'll save it here and we're gonna name it as column 10. Save it. We'll go back to Revit and we'll press Control D for the home button. We'll go to the new family. We'll go to the metric. Here we'll search for we're gonna search for structural column, metric structural column, and we'll open this. First thing, we'll delete all these reference planes. I don't want this, only the central row reference required this one. So what we're gonna do is insert. We'll import the CAD which has been saved. This one column 10 here, and we're gonna align it in the center. We'll unpin it. We'll move this. Okay, move it to the center. Now we're gonna go to create. We'll create the extrusion using the pick line method. One, two, three. Okay, we'll hit finish. Now we've created. As you can see, we'll go to the elevations and we're gonna attach this column. We have the floor to floor height of 3400 and put this value and we're gonna attach this column somewhere over here. Now we'll save this also. I actually want everything to be saved because this is a real-time project. All the families needs to be saved. Revert files, column family, and we're gonna name this as C10. Let's save it, and now we'll load it into the project. Okay, we'll go to the column axis to place the column. We'll go with columns. We have C10 here. Okay. The one problem is we have our AutoCAD drawing also inputted. So what we're gonna do is we'll go here, edit family. We'll If we hide this AutoCAD format, AutoCAD drawing, it will still appear it. So what we're gonna do is just delete this AutoCAD. Now we'll load it. Override. Now the AutoCAD is gone. Now we'll align this one to this one, this one to this one. Okay, now we'll see this in 3D. Here it is. Okay, the height. We'll go to the edit type. Oh, we don't have height here anywhere mentioned. No height has been mentioned. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create the project parameter for it. We'll go to the edit family. This is really important. We'll go to the elevation. In one of the elevation, we'll go with dimension pi command. We input the dimension here to here. It is 3400. But my as per my elevations, we'll go to the elevation. We have the total height from the top of the footing to the ground floor slab is totally 3500 plus 2000, that is 5400. We'll go back to this one and 5400, and now the same way we can create the project parameter for it. We'll create new, name this as height, and insert the height as 5400, and okay, we're gonna assign this to this one, height. Okay, now this is the height. Now we save this, we go into the project and override. Now it is properly aligned. Now if you want to change the height for any instance, you can go to edit and we can easily input the height 100. Alright, so that's, so I'm gonna leave it as 5400. And now again we'll go to the column axis, we'll go here and click the column, create similar, CS for create similar, and we're gonna place it somewhere over here. We'll just rotate this column, arrow for it. Okay, rotating. One more thing, we have problem here. If you rotate in any direction, the column we can't place it just because the column is oriented in a different manner. So we're gonna click this. We'll create a mirror draw axis. We'll draw this axis. Now this column is easily perfect. Perfect. Now we'll go to the align. Sorry, align, and this one, this one, this one to this one. So okay. Similarly, we have to create all the columns. We have seen 9 also, which has different shape. So similarly, we're going to create it. So that is it for today's section. Thank you, everyone.